What's up, YouTube? We are back again with another video. Today is New Year's Eve, December 31st. It is 1:34 p.m. I'm just now really getting up. I'm about to cook myself brunch because it's not considered breakfast anymore, is it? So I'm about to do eggs and bacon, and then I think I'm gonna make some tea down in my cup. And I want to show y'all this because I don't think I ever showed y'all. This is what I'm gonna put in my tea. It's whipped honey with lemon. My coworker bought this for me for Christmas, so I think I'm gonna put some of this in my tea. Y'all, it smells so good. That's what it look like. So I'm gonna put some of that in my tea, and then I'm gonna cook myself brunch or whatever. I don't have the right ingredients to make a mimosa, or I would be making a mimosa, but yeah. I don't know what I'm about to get into today, y'all. I think I'm just in the house. I need to clean my bathroom, clean my room. I don't think I need to clean Marley's litter box today. What else? Because y'all know the saying is for y'all to clean today, not tomorrow. You're supposed to clean up your house before you go into the New Year's. Okay? Okay. But yeah, I'm just about to eat because I'm hungry. Literally hungry. But I'm gonna call y'all back either today, later on today, or tomorrow. I don't have no utensils. All right, y'all. I'll call y'all back. What's up, you guys? Happy New Year's. It is January 2nd, and it's currently 4:31 p.m. So yesterday was New Year's, so I'm late, but yeah, I ain't do nothing. I stopped by my mama's house to get my plate of food. Got potato salad, macaroni and cheese, white rice, collard greens, black eyed peas, and then under here is beans with bacon in it, and then fried ribs. So I'm about to eat, y'all. I'm hungry. I ate breakfast, but this is dinner. I'm about to put the rice in a separate bowl with the collard greens and probably the macaroni and cheese because I want to separate my food. Anyways, y'all, I've been sneezing and my nose has been running all day today. And then they say it's a new strand of COVID out there. I don't think I have COVID though, because I would have no taste and no smell. But I definitely think like I have like a small case of the flu or something. I don't know. And I don't want to say that either because I don't have a fever. Maybe I'm just recovering from being sick the other day. I don't know. Just know I do not like being sick. But yeah, guys, it's a new year. It is 2026. And to be honest, I definitely feel, how do I put this? Like the change that's about to come in my life. Like, it's up and it's stuck for real. I was supposed to eat this stuff last night. The greens for wealth. I don't know what the beans for. I forgot. Or the peas, my bad. Actually, I'm about to put everything but the potato salad here. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I need to go to the grocery store. I don't have no juice or water. I'm struggling, y'all. But what did y'all do for New Year's? How was y'all New Year's? Did y'all cook? The family cook? Do y'all know about eating greens and black eyed peas to bring wealth in your life? Yes or no? And have y'all ever had fried ribs before? It's good. All right, I'm about to put this in the microwave. Okay. I have my nose. See my nose trying to run again. I have my food warmed up. Can y'all see? Everything tastes amazing, per usual. See that macaroni? Here, let me share with y'all. Oh, y'all don't need none because, like, I'm kind of recovering from being sick, so y'all don't want to get sick. I got a crazy cat. Something wrong with him. He be having the zoomies. This is my only juice. If this don't taste good, because I don't think I never had one of these. Somebody left it at my house. If I can open it. Without breaking a nail. Dang. Hold on, I'm struggling. This ain't gonna go with my meal, is it? Okay. Okay. 10 out of 10. It tastes like a grape drink. I don't know. And then I have my fried ribs right here. And take a bite for y'all so y'all can see. 10 out of 10. Thank you to my mama. When I make it, she makes it. Duh. Got Molly over here begging like he a dog. Anyways, y'all. I don't know. Y'all gotta let me know how y'all feeling about this year, because I'm ecstatic. For real, for real. I just feel like this my year. It's up and it's stuck. So, yeah. Tomorrow's Saturday. And then, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow either. Like I stated in my previous vlogs, my oldest brother is on leave from the military, and he get ready to leave in like 2 days, I think. So I'm gonna be sad, y'all. I don't know what my mama gonna do, if she gonna do something for him. I don't know. But I'm about to close out for tonight, y'all. And I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Oh wait, I want to tell y'all about Stranger Things. So I'm finally on the new seasons of Stranger Things, season 5. I think I'm on episode 4. It's so good. I don't want it to end, y'all. It's a good show. And then last night I also started and don't laugh, because I haven't seen everything. Okay, I'm not no movie damn person or whatever. I finally started the movie Man on Fire with Denzel Washington, because it's on Netflix. So I had started it. But yeah, I just been rotting in the bed. Alright, y'all, I'm gone. Good morning, YouTube. Today is January 4th. Last time I checked, it was like 11 something in the AM. Today is Sunday, y'all. So it's my last day of being free, y'all. Next week I gotta go back to work, a full works week, Monday through Friday. I'm about to cook breakfast and clean my whole house, y'all. Bathroom, my room, Marley's litter box, vacuum and mop. I'm trying so hard to come into this new year and not be lazy or procrastinate so much, be on my phone so much. Granted, when I'm recording for y'all, I'm recording for y'all. And what else? I also want to make my way to the gym for the rest of this year. I really want to get my body back right. I've lost weight, but yeah, now it's just time to tone up because I went from 150 to like 138, and I weigh probably less than that because sometimes I just don't be feeling like eating. But yeah. Anyways, so that's what I'm about to get into. I need to get my life together. I need to get my day started. But I do have this Amazon package right here. I want to show y'all. And this not even all of it. I purchased these gummies to help me sleep, and also like vitamin C gummies, but they don't come till tomorrow. So I got this new body scrub right here because it looked like it smelled good. Hold on, let's open it up. Wait. Golden vanilla, okay. Can I open it? The hell? Buy this. If you've never bought it before, buy this. This smells so good. Right now, I just ran out of a scrub. It was the watermelon scrub from this company, I think. And then if y'all been watching my vlogs, you know I have that. Is it pineapple? I think it's pineapple, and I just put it in my shower, replacing the watermelon one that I ran out of. But I'm gonna put this one in the shower. Yeah, I will be using this tonight. Yup. And then I restocked up on my skincare routine. But the gummies that I purchased, y'all, they're not here. They'll be here tomorrow. Probably be dropped at my door while I'm at work. So yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all the gummies. But you know what? I haven't closed out of this vlog yet. But I normally say it at the end of my video, but if y'all have not, be sure to like and subscribe so y'all can see when my gummies come in. I can show y'all my gummies. Oh, y'all gotta follow me on like Snapchat and Instagram, because that's where I post like outside of being on YouTube. Which I put my links to my social media platforms in the description box. So yeah. Anyways, I'm about to get my day started. I also have to meal prep for the rest of this week because we are not spending money. So I need to take out, I think I'm gonna do pork chops for this week. Baked or fried, I'm not sure yet. And then I need to thaw the pork chops out and thaw out my sausage, because I'm gonna do sausages and eggs for breakfast. But anywho, y'all, let me get my day started because it's a new year and I gotta get together. Okay, so I'll call y'all back when we get on to meal prep. What's up, YouTube? Today is January 6th. It is currently 6:01 p.m. Y'all, I'm coming to meal prep my food. I got my, what is this? Beef sausages or sausage. And then I have my eggs. I ain't cracked them yet. Anywho, that's what we're about to do. I ain't cooked yesterday, y'all. I didn't feel like it. What was yesterday? Monday. First day back, it was rough. Shoot, I couldn't get out of bed. It was rough. Right? Yeah, yesterday was Monday. Today, Tuesday. Okay. Anyway, I'm about to get to cooking. So, I think I'm gonna put music over this. Hey y'all, I finished meal prepping. I made myself dinner. This is the first time I've tried this broccoli and cheese out the bag. It's pretty good. But yeah, I'm getting ready to close out this vlog. I'm gonna eat my dinner, and then I'm gonna finish the last episode of Stranger Things, y'all. I'm scared. I don't know how it's about to end, but I heard it's emotional. So yeah. What else? That's it. But I'm about to close out, y'all. I cooked, I meal prep, I got breakfast, and I have lunch. So if you enjoyed this vlog, be sure to like and subscribe for more vlogs like this. Bye guys.